Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to get this sound equalizer for your Bluetooth device on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So with the Sound Assistant, you can fine-tune the equalizer settings for each Bluetooth audio device individually. This means your wireless earbuds, headphones, and speakers can all have their own custom sound profile. So as you can see, this is my equalizer for my headphones, and I can go ahead and customize this however I like. So let me show you how to get this equalizer on your Samsung Galaxy device. So in order to get this, you want to first make sure your Bluetooth device has been connected to your phone. So I've connected my earbuds to my phone. Next, you want to go ahead and open up the Good Lock app. In the Good Lock app, you want to go ahead and scroll down, find Sound Assistant. Now here, you want to go ahead and customize the volume panel. Tap on this. Here, you want to go ahead and switch this feature on, then press on Custom. Here you want to go ahead and tap on Expanded Panel. And here you want to go ahead and make sure it shows Show Toolbar Functions. So this is the extra bar which just appears right here at the bottom. So make sure that's switched on. Now you want to go and press Home. Now you want to go ahead and press the volume button, expand it. You'll see this expanded toolbar. To see your equalizer, tap on this. And now you can go ahead and control your equalizer for your Bluetooth. So you can go ahead and configure the bass, treble, instrumental, vocal. You can go ahead and use the UHQ upscaler. You can even turn on Dolby Atmos from here. At the top left, you can go ahead and choose all the different presets. So balance, bass, boost, smooth, dynamic, clear, treble boost, and custom. You can go ahead and even change the UI. So this ensures your earbuds sound rich and balanced, while your Bluetooth speakers can be tuned for a deeper bass. So audiophiles will love this because it unlocks the full potential of your hardware, giving you the best sound for every device. So there you go guys, that is how to configure sound equalizer for your Bluetooth device on your Samsung Galaxy device. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.